This is ASPure Maths note. We're on Unit 7 looking at the binomial expansion. First couple of videos we're looking at 1 plus x to the power of n. Here we're expanding into a plus b to the power of n. So that's what we're sort of saying here. So if we expand out a plus b squared, we all know a squared plus, that should be a 2ab plus b squared. A cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed, a to the power of 5. And what you'll note is the powers of a decrease. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The powers of b increase. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my coefficients here 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1 are just straight then from Pascal's triangle. So that's all we're going to do. We're going to expand out these, and we're going to use the a plus b formula, and then we're going to change them then from there. So this one here, expand in descending powers of x, 2x plus 3 all to the power of 4. So we're going to consider a plus b all to the power of 4. And again, you need to get yourselves used to, I guess, expanding this out and being comfortable with it. So it's going to be a to the power of 4 plus 4a cubed b. So I'm getting the 4 from Pascal's triangle. The a is dropping and powers of b's are increasing. 6a squared b squared plus 4ab cubed plus b to the power of 4. And then any time in this formula I see an a, I'm going to exchange it for a 2x. Anytime I see a b, I'm going to exchange it for a 3. I'm going to do no working out to start with, and then we'll tidy up after that. So my a, I'm going to change it for 2x, so it's 2x all to the power of 4 plus 4 upon 2x cubed upon 3 plus 6, 2x squared, 3 squared plus 4 upon 2x 3 cubed plus 3 all to the power of 4, and then tidying that all up, I get 16x to the power of 4. Now I need to work out my numbers here, so that's 2 cubes, so that's going to be an 8 times 4 is 32 times 3, that is 96 x cubed. 3 squared is 9, and that's 4, so I have then, I think it's going to be, so we have 4 times 9, which is 36. 36 times 6 is 216. Three cubed is 27, times 2 is 54, times 4 then is 216 again. And then 3 to the power of 4 then gives us 81. This next one, expand in descending powers of x, x plus 1 over x cubed. So again, we're going to consider a plus b to the power of 3. So it's going to be a cubed plus 3a squared b. Notice the powers of a decreasing, the powers of b increasing, and the coefficients 1, 3, 3, 1 will appear. 3ab squared plus b cubed. Any time I see an a, I'm going to exchange it for an x. Anytime I see a b, I'm going to exchange it then for a minus 1 over x. So we just need to be careful, I guess, with the minuses here as well. So let's move up then and see what we get. So x minus 1 over x all cubed is going to be x cubed plus 3x squared times minus 1 over x plus 3x minus 1 over x squared plus minus 1 over x all cubed. Tidying that up, that gives me x cubed. Then the 3, so it's going to be a minus, and it's going to be 3, and that's an x squared then divided by an x, so it just gives me an x. Here, the minus squared, so that's going to be a positive. And then we have x over x squared effectively, so that's then going to give me 3 over x, or if you want x to the power of minus 1. And then finally minus 1 over x cubed. On then to example 3, so expand x minus x to the minus 2 all to the power of 4. So slightly messier one here, but we're going to consider a plus b to the power of 4. That of course gives me a to the power of 4. If you want b to the power of 0, we don't need that in there. Plus 4a cubed b to the power of 1 plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab cubed plus b to the power of 4. Anytime I see an a, I am going to exchange it for an x. Anytime I see a b, I am going to exchange it then for a minus x to the minus 2. So we need to be quite careful with that. So let's go then. We have x minus x to the minus 2 all to the power of 4 is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 4 x to the power of 3 minus x to the minus 2 plus 6 x to the power of 2 minus x to the minus 2 squared plus 4 x minus x to the minus 2 all cubed plus minus x to the minus 2 all to the power, so it's a minus there, all to the power of 4. So that gives me then x to the power of 4. The minus will give me a minus here. It's 4. I have x cubed and x to the power of minus 2, so that just then gives me an x. That minus there is going to be squared, so that means it's going to be a positive 6. I have an x squared here, and I have x to the minus 4 here, so it's going to be x to the minus 2. Here I have a minus x all cubed, so that means it's going to be a negative, and it's going to be a negative 4. I have an x here, and I have an x to the power of minus 6 here, so that's going to be x to the power of minus 5. And then I have a minus to the power of 4, so that means it's a positive. X to the power of minus 2 to the power of 4, that gives me then x to the power of minus 8. So we need to be careful with our indices there, but other than that, that's what we have.